So this is true. Like last night, when I took this screenshot, I wasn't for sure if this was true. So I was like, I'm not gonna make a video till today. There's like 21 hours, 20 hours, probably like 20, 19 hours, 20 to 19 to 20 hours left of oxygen inside the submarine, and this is potentially true. So it says the crew searching for the Titan, which is the name of the submarine, heard banging sounds every 30 minutes Tuesday, and 4 hours later, after additional sonar devices were deployed, banging was still heard. Accounted to the According to the international government memo update on this search. So there is supposedly a video of the sound from this, which I will be trying to find that next and play that video for you guys on like another video. But this is good and bad. Good because these people potentially could still, these 5 people that were on this in this submarine could potentially all still be alive, which is good. But are they gonna have enough time with 19 to 20 hours to go get this submarine out of the water? Are they going to have enough time? I would almost say that if they do, it's going to be so close. So close. And who's to say that maybe some of these people have already passed that are inside this submarine? Like, some people freak out and have a panic attacks, and if this thing crashed, maybe somebody got hurt or something, and we aren't going to know until they figure out where it's at. And let's hope they figure out where it's at before it's too late to figure out where it's at. Like, comment, and share. If you guys want to show support to my channel, you can do that absolutely free by joining my Facebook group. Link in the description. We're having a lot of fun over there, so go check it out.